Hello and welcome to a new unboxing video. I'm Fettouhi and it's loot crate time again. We are in June. So I just got this here today with another package, which I'm not going to unbox because that's just stupid SSD. I'm going to upgrade my system, so this here is going to be the last unboxing of this system here, and then I'm going to upgrade it. Or not upgrade, I'm going to upgrade the SSD, it's still going to be one. Enough about that. Loot crate, June. Well, let's look at this sucker. I actually don't know what it's going to hold in, but loot crate. Document, share, enjoy. So let's check out here. We have actually a nice box here, in my opinion. I actually like the design. So let's check out this one here. Oh, Terminator. That's awesome. I like this one here. Look at this. So Terminator Genesis is coming out. Actually started yesterday and stopped with Zoom. Actually came out yesterday with straight with in the theater over here. I'm actually not going to watch it this week. I'm going to watch it next week, and that's the plan at least. So so that's awesome. Getting some exclusive on that Terminator Genesis. That's really cool. We're gonna look at that in just a sec. We have a sticker of some kind you can iron on your T-shirt if you want to. This here is the old loot crate. You actually can see I have the loot crate stuff here from the Cobra. We have some. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. This here is the chip from Terminator 1, if you don't remember. Brain chip, it says here. Actually, really cool. I like this here one. This here is really cool. This is a keychain, actually. So that's awesome. We have the shirt, which I'm going to show off. I know I forgot the shirt last time, but this here is a shirt. Oh, this here is an Optimus Prime shirt, which is actually pretty cool. This is the old Prime, the one that I grew up with, which I'm going to wear. Definitely because it was the other Prime. He sucks. I hate the new Transformers, so that sucks. We have here's some kind of, I know you will say purse, but it's actually not. It's actually for your bath, toothbrush and stuff like that. You can take traveling. So that's pretty cool. I actually need a new one, just with a nice, cool electronic design. We have, of course, the Loot Crate newsletter. I think this here is the Cyber Who is Mr. Robot. Is this one here? That's pretty cool. We have actually, this here is, oh, that's so I actually need a new one. That's a Borderlands mouse pad. And this here is 0, so that's awesome. Wow. Wow, this is really cool. Loot Crate, awesome. Really cool. We have more. We have a range sheet. I have this here range sheet for Command Issues Cross Rank Service. For range facility. Oh, I know what this here is. It's for shooting actually at the range. So this here is probably for targeting. Let's take one out. I don't shoot guns, so this here is never going to be used, but these here are range targeting shoots with actually robots. Would have been cool if it was a Terminator, but probably trademarked. So that's cool. It's fun for people who live in the US because they can go to the range without actually having to pay a shitload of money on having a gun and all that. It's pretty expensive over here. So we'll take a look at that later. We of course have more stickers here, which this here is Nerdlution, Nerdvilla. We have definitely robot stickers over here. That's pretty cool. We have the crate, of course, which right here, which we are going to transform into something a little bit more entertaining. Not entertaining, but definitely going to transform it into something more fun. Let's see how we're going. So here's is actually hard. This is the box. I think this here and here. And okay, there we go. And go. So far, it's the good guys. This here. Okay. Okay. There we go. Here and then we here and this will be right. What the hell? Ah, okay. I am fucking this up really well. What's this here? Me fucking up the crate. Okay, so this was how it looked. This should be here and here. This here is the bottom. They should be able to do this here. This is fucking annoying. This is not the box for me. Excuse me. Okay. There we go. Let's see if we actually finish this here. Get in there. Transform. Oh god, it actually broke. Anyways. It broke a little bit, but yeah. Fix that. There we go. There we have it. That's the crate after a little bit of filling. It's because the box is actually normally a little bit deeper and a little bit smaller in the height. But got it. So yeah, a little bit of filling there. Again, an awesome T-shirt of Optimus Prime. We have all this sticker here, and of course, the last thing we're going to look at is actually going to take this one out because this is going to go on my table. The head. I want the head. Let's see what that is today. Plastic, but looks really, really cool. Yeah. So, guys, awesome loot crate, awesome stuff. I can only say this here is definitely the best crate of this year so far, in my opinion. I like the shirt. Actually, I like the Cobra also, but this here is actually my second, or at least my top of the year. This one here. So, but the year's not over. I still have a happy year to go. I recommend you go to lootecrate.com and check this out if you want something like that. Buy some past loot crates and like this video. Until next time, bye.